In this video, I wanted to recap my $2,400 profit trading day for you guys. We'll cover what I think I did well, what I think I can improve on, and I'm going to hopefully help you guys get one step closer to finding this profitability yourself. And so first things first, I took two trades today. You can see here my net cumulative P&L of $2,402.75. Okay. Now, I took a trade on Apple and on ticker symbol MBLY. You can see here my gross P&L and my net ROI. And I want to show you something that most traders don't show you, which is how much capital I actually had allocated behind that position. Obviously, you can figure that out based off of the net ROI. What most traders will show you is this. They will actually hide their exit percentage and how much money they were actually trading with behind that position. So if I showed you this, well, hey, look at that. Now, the problem is setting realistic expectations is massively important, and it's just a core value that I've remained, I guess, consistent alongside all the teaching, coaching, guidance, YouTube videos, everything I put out there over the last 3+ years on this channel. And, after trading for 8 years, I just want to show people that there is an amount of capital that will be required for you to see significant, or what I would say is being worthwhile gains, right? Now, you can see traders post 20K days, 30K days, but what they won't show you is, well, how much capital was behind that trading day? Did it require a $500,000 account, $1 million account, or even more to make that 20K? Was that 20K day only 1 or 2% in net P&L, right? So I just want to be transparent there. Obviously, I'll go ahead and I will add these back. So this is very important, like I said, the net ROI, which is right here, and the adjusted cost, which is right here, okay? But let's move on. This is my live broker statement. This is one of the things that if you watch any trader online, they're probably not going to show you. And again, I trade on a regulated US broker. This is TD Ameritrade, or now Schwab. Okay, so I'm just so used to saying that. Schwab bought out Thinkorswim. This is the Thinkorswim trading platform. And you can see my account. Okay, connected real-time data and the current time. Okay, here are my initial order fills. I got in at 11:04 and got it right before market close. Funny enough, I was actually out on the golf course and I locked in that $1,000 profit. This might give you a better visual representation, obviously, of my entry and of my exits. So I'm very happy with this exit. I mean, I could have probably got another 2 to 3% out of this trade if I exited a little bit earlier on this pullback, around 12 o'clock. However, I locked in profit. I didn't quite hit what I had initially set as a target, which was 15% on this trade. Okay. But I'm very happy with that entry, or that exit, sorry, in this entry. The executions obviously are going to be here, and those should line up. If you want to pause that, I mean, hopefully they imported correctly. Those should line up with my broker. And the next trade, obviously, that we did take, you can see here my entry and my exit. Okay. Now, if I show you my broker on MBLY, and you can see my entries and my exits. So my entry was at, or at least my first entry, right, was at 11:11. These were essentially around the same time. And then my exit was at 13:32. So 13:32, okay, right around here. Now, knowing that I locked in 9% profit, I could have gotten 20%. Could have, would have, should have. What I could have done better, is that's always very, I guess, discretionary. But I was looking at, on a 4-hour, looking at the last 180 days, okay, this is just my ADR calculator, and I was looking at the price movement here, seeing that on average over the last 180 days, this thing has only moved about 2.5% a day. So to have been able to capitalize on, like I said, that nearly 4% move to the downside, I was happy to lock in and secure my profit there. A little short of my 15% profit target. I hit about 11% after, like I said, broker fees and commissions, about a 9% net ROI. Now that is going to cover my trading day. $2,400 is a very, pretty good day, I will say. So if you're interested in learning how to trade yourself, I will put a link in the description below to my mentorship group, and you can go ahead and apply there to learn more. Now, with that said, subscribe. I will see you all in the next video. Later.